Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje awubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizobe-ke ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphutheli izindaba ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje sebuyile-ke laphana-ke uKhumalo-ke we-M_K-ke wabuye waveza-ke laphana-ke okuningi impela-ke okwenzeka-ke ngenkathi-ke esakwi-M_K-ke laphana-ke waveza-ke ney'mfihlo-ke ey'ningi-ke impela kodwa-ke engingafuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke waziswa ngami. Phela nje kwenza nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina-ke sengicela khona ukuthi-ke masuyizwile-ke le vidiyo lena-ke walalela-ke ungene lapha ama-comment section futhi ushiye uvo lwakho ukuthi nawe ucabangani-ke ngakho lokho okushiwo-ke uKhumalo-ke laphana-ke ubhale ama-comment section-ke mase uyangixhasa-ke ucindezeleke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe-ke ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphutheli izindaba ongenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Some attend. Then on Thursday, I discovered that yes, fraudulently, successfully put himself to be the director of Mkhonto weSizwe, not him alone, but his daughter, Mthunzile Zuma, and her other daughter, Thabisile Khumalo. They are now directors of Mkhonto weSizwe on the CIPRO. What they did, they went to CIPRO, they changed my email, they changed my cell phone so that they can receive the OTP, then they will be able to change my name and take me out of the CIPRO. That is the process they've been doing, and this has been happening for almost 3 or 4 months. They've been trying to do this, but finally they fraudulently made it through getting my email changed and my cell number changed so that they can get the OTP. But when they finished, I think then they linked it back. Then CIPRO sent me the message to say that you have successfully made the amendment. That's when I saw it. So that is why then yesterday I went to open the case against him, because he's the one on the CIPRO document. I can't open the case against someone that I don't know. I'm opening a case against the people that are now in the CIPRO fraudulently, because I didn't sign any document. I didn't give anyone any consent to change the directors of the CIPRO. So I'm going ahead with that case. So this will be the second case of fraud against President Jacob Zuma and his family.